Hey buddy, why are you looking so sad today?
I want to pursue BTech, but I worried about the entrance exam.
Don't you worry, my friend. We all are here to solve your problem.
Is it compulsory to give entrance exam?
Yes, it is possible. You can get direct admission into one of the best BTech colleges without giving entrance or any other exam.
But what is the eligibility criteria?
The most common ways to get admission into BTech without any entrance examination is through direct admission based on your class 12 board exam marks. Many private colleges and universities offer this option under management quotas and merit-based admission. Let's talk about eligibility criteria. Must have completed 10 plus 2 with PCM, that is physics, chemistry and mathematics. Minimum marks required varied from college to college. Some universities may conduct interviews and counseling sessions. So if you didn't get higher rank in JEE or if you didn't appear in any entrance examination, then this is the best opportunity to start your engineering journey.
Is there any provision for lateral admission?
Another great option for engineering aspirant is lateral entry. If you have completed 3 years diploma in engineering field, you can join directly BTech second year. This saves you a full year and is the best choice for diploma holders. Eligibility criteria for lateral entry: must have diploma in engineering from a recognized institute. Direct admission into the BTech second year. Some states have lateral entry exam, but there many colleges refers direct admission.
Now you know that how to get into a BTech without an entrance exam. For that, choosing a right college is a big step.
Thank you everyone for clearing my doubt. What could be the best engineering college for me?
If you are someone who is looking for best private college to pursue BTech in Lucknow, then RR Group of Institution is a perfect choice.
Why only RRGI?
You should choose RRGI because it provides direct admission, have top-notch infrastructure that includes smart classes, modern lab, have experienced faculty, and also diverse range of courses for BTech, Polytechnic and even MBA. Apart from this, they have strong tie-up with leading companies that ensures that students get 100% placement.